A building management system, BMS, consists of hardware, software, and communication networks that work together to monitor, control, and optimize building performance. This chapter introduces the core components that form the backbone of any BMS infrastructure. Sensors are devices that collect real-time data from the environment and send it to controllers. Common types include temperature, humidity, CO2, pressure, occupancy, flow, and light sensors, each serving a specific monitoring purpose. Actuators receive commands from controllers and adjust mechanical operations in the building. Types include valve actuators, damper actuators, and relay modules, which control water, air, and electrical loads. Controllers, or direct digital controllers, DDC, process sensor inputs and determine outputs to actuators. They are programmable, support real-time processing, and communicate via protocols like Modbus and BACnet. Field devices combine input, output modules, power supplies, fuses, and interface terminals within control panels. They handle analog and digital signals for sensors and actuators. User interface devices allow operators and occupants to interact with the BMS. Operator workstations and touch panels or mobile apps provide graphical interfaces for daily operations and room adjustments. A stable network infrastructure is essential for BMS communication. It includes serial connections, Ethernet, IP, fiber optic backbones, and wireless technologies like Wi-Fi and Zigbee for modern IoT integration. The server and database system stores all BMS configuration, trend data, and logs. It hosts web interfaces for remote monitoring and ensures redundancy and backups for system reliability. SCADA and GUI software provide graphical visualization, trend graphs, alarms, floor plans, and schedules. Popular platforms include Schneider EcoStruxure, Siemens Desigo, and Niagara Workbench. A typical BMS panel contains a DDC controller, terminal blocks, circuit breakers, relays, contactors, and a 24 VDC power supply. These elements ensure safe and efficient operation of the BMS. The basic structure of a BMS system follows a flow: sensor, controller, actuator, all managed within the BMS panel and visualized through the GUI or server. A BMS is a layered architecture made up of smart field devices, intelligent controllers, and a central platform for visualization and control. Understanding these components is key to designing, installing, or troubleshooting any modern automation system.